Hello and welcome to another edition of Mega Makes. Today we're going to be turning this piece of 15mm copper pipe into a blow dart so that we can do some target practice. Now we've got various different levels of accuracy and safety for these darts. First of all, we're going to use these. Now these are earplugs, and the first thing that we need to do is we need to be able to check the size of the earplug. Now this one is perfect for the 15mm copper. It doesn't fall out, it stays in there, it's a really good fit. But these on themselves aren't that accurate. They're good for knocking over tin cans, but they need to have a little bit more weight to them, or ideally we're going to have a point. So we're going to use a bamboo skewer. Now it's quite difficult to just push the earplug into the skewer for it to go through, so we're going to need to make a hole. So the first thing we're going to need to do today is we're going to light a candle, we're going to heat up this safety pin, and we're going to pass the safety pin through to make a small hole. So let's light the candle. Heat the safety pin. And then we're going to push that safety pin right the way through from the tip of the earplug all the way through until it comes out the other side. You might not do it in one go. Okay. I'm going to go back through from the other side. Next, we're going to take our bamboo skewer and we're going to pass the bamboo skewer through that hole. And I'm giving it a twist as it goes. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's become a bit squashed, because these are made from a memory foam, it will go back to the correct shape. Next, I'm going to snip off Okay. Now, this kind of dart is going to stick into cardboard, so you'll know definitely going to need to make sure that you and everybody around you are wearing safety goggles when you do this. Now, we could step it up a notch. The next type of dart is going to be made from a silicone tube. So remove the nozzle of the silicone tube. Then we're going to pass the silicone tube nozzle into the piece of copper pipe. Now take a pencil and mark on whether that is a perfect fit. Then what we're going to do is we're going to cut this off, and we're going to insert a nail into the end. I prefer to use a masonry nail, and it should look like this when it's done. That masonry nail needs to be held in place with some hot glue. It's really important not to fill the tube up with hot glue. You need to only come to about 1/3 of the tip of the nozzle is full of hot glue. Otherwise your dart will be too heavy and it will tumble through the air. If we can keep the weight at the front of the dart, it will be more accurate. Right, let's put some goggles on, set up the target, and we'll see which of these darts is the best. Okay, the first dart that we're going to try is the earplug dart with the bamboo skewer. Slide it in, take aim. That bounced out. Let's try that again. Slide it in, take aim. Not bad. Now we're going to try the silicone nozzle with the masonry nail. Take great care with these. Take aim. Bullseye.